Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So guys, if you remember, I bought the cheapest Fiat Bravo in Portugal, and it have a plus. It's a GPL car. I believe in English LPG or something like that, but in Portuguese GPL. So you know what I'm talking about. It's gas. And GPL, of course, it's really cheap compared to the regular fuel that I have in my daily, which is my Alpha, and my Alpha spends a lot of fuel. So guys, I'm using the Fiat Bravo to go to work, get back home, that kind of things. But when I was making the maintenance, I was replacing the air filter, and I found out that it have this K&N, K&N air filter, and this is expensive filter in fact, because it's made to get performance and the quality of these filters. If you take a look to tests that they made, it make a huge difference. But guys, don't forget, in this channel I usually restore cars, so if you're not a subscriber and you are new in this channel, take a look at my other videos and subscribe, because that will help a lot. But let's go straight to the point, which is the maintenance of these filters. But I was talking about with my friend Ventura, which is a colleague of work, and I was saying that the car came with a sport filter or a performance air filter. And he told me, I have a kit of cleaning, because these filters, it's expensive, but you can clean it. He said to me, Paul, I have, a kit like brand new, because I only use it once, and I can give it to you. So he gave it to me, this nice and cool kit. So Ventura, thanks a lot for the gift, and today I will show you basically how to clean. So guys, usually these kits came with two products inside, which is oil to use after lube, because if you know this kind of filter, are usually red, and that red is from this oil. This one in particular is spray, but sometimes it's not spray, and he also brings this cleaning product which you should use for cleaning this filter. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to clean, how to use this kit, and let's go. So guys, now you have two products. One, it's a product for cleaning, and another one, it's oil or a lube that you're gonna use after you clean. So guys, this is my air filter. This is from Bravo. What I'm gonna do is to just spray a bit. Then I will apply this side also. So guys, once you apply the product, I'm gonna just wait like 10 minutes, and then I will give it a clean with water. Let's go. So guys, I waited like 10 minutes, now it's time to give it a clean with water. So one important thing, never use high pressure water, okay? Low pressure, it's recommended for the supplier. So guys, low pressure, okay? Don't use pressure washer. Let's go. So guys, try not to let it dry under the sun. Put it in a shadow, go take a coffee, lunch, whatever you want. Let it dry, and when it's dry, we'll get back. Let's go. So guys, I let it dry a few hours while I was replacing my brake pads in the Fiat Bravo. I will also install the air filter in the Fiat Bravo, of course, because this belongs to my Fiat Bravo. But guys, the cleaning product we don't need anymore. Now it's time to apply the oil. This one is spray, but there is another ones that I already saw that they are not spray. But basically you just need to, let me try to show you this angle. Done. It's just simple as that. Then you turn the other side. It's applied and it's done. Now it's ready to install in the car. That's what I'm gonna do right now. As simple as that. Let's go. So guys, the air filter, it's cleaned, it's installed, brand new. And guys, this is an expensive filter, do not try it, you know. I already saw a few methods. Guys, this is max 20 euros, dollars, whatever you want. Usually it's 50. So guys, use the right things to do the right job. So guys, if you are new in the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up. That will help a lot to increase the engagement of the channel. And as usual guys, see you soon. Stay tuned.